So you have to go to the accounts area on your dashboard. Now you click on this new at the top right corner. Then you just scroll to the last, standard cent. Minimum deposit is $10. You click on continue. Now you can create a demo. You can't think I create a demo cent account. You can only create a real cent account. Now you can choose your leverage. I always like a limited leverage. Then to choose the cents, you can choose American cents, United States cents for the account. You can choose a nickname if you want to, but I'll leave mine at just standard cents. Then you put in a password. Make sure you choose your own password so you can remember your password when you choose it by yourself. So I'll be using okay, so I think we are above the maximum character. So we're using just cent test 2024 hash. Remember, you must have these guidelines, for these guidelines, you must have the password must be within 8 to 15 characters. It must be one uppercase letter, one number letter, and there should be one special character. You can see it's all ticked. So send test 2024 hash. So you just click on create new account. I won't be saving this. So immediately your account will be created. You can see your account has been created. So what you want to do now, you want to fund your account. So you can basically transfer funds. I've said in the previous video I talked about Exness and brokers, exchanges in general. I've said don't leave money on exchanges. Make sure you always withdraw your money. But I think there's around $10 in this account that we can use to test this out. So we want to transfer over to this cent account now. So $10. Just the conversion rate. 1 USDT or $1 is equal to 100 cents. That's the basic thing. When you create a cent account and you transfer $10 to your cent account, it's still the same $10. Okay? You're just seeing it from a wider perspective. You're seeing it in a lesser way of counting. Trying to break it down so you understand. So 1 USDT is equal to 100 cents. It's just like having dollar and naira, and you have a $100 account, or here you have a $10 account, and you want to see your money in naira. Then when you convert to naira, you have over 16,000 naira, but it's the same $10. But in naira, it's over 16,000 naira. So that's almost the same thing I'm talking about here. So $10 equal to 1,000 cents, and $1 is equal to 100 cents. So you can see we'll be getting 1,000 cents. So click on confirm, and price would they would put it together. So what you want to do now, you want to just go back here. You can see we have 1,000 cents on our account now. So to be able to trade with this 1,000 cents, you have to log in on MT5 or any other broker. You want to trade on MT5 because MT5 is what we created for this account. So you can see these are login details. Just click on the top right corner, click on account information, and then you'd see the login details: unlimited leverage, real funds. These are all you need to log in. Like I said before, if you don't have an Exness account, click on the link on the description to create an account, because I think it's just Exness that offers this cent account so far that I know of. Okay, so we're going over to MT5 now. You want to copy your login, and the server is xnet75 real 21. Okay, so we are going over to MT5. You have to look for XNest Technologies Limited. Okay, so you just click on that. I've already said, so that's why it's here. But if you won't have it, so just click on XNest. To the last one. Okay, so you're looking for XNest. This thing there is XNest 25 Route 21. That's what we're looking for now. Okay, we found it. So you paste your login and our password. I hope I still remember the password. I think it's send test 2024 hash. Okay, great. I remember the password. So you can see we have 1,000 cents. If we have $10, okay, and let's say you're in my signal group, I drop a signal for you, and the signal has over 100 pips stop loss. Let's go over to FX calculators, because whenever I drop signal in my signal group, I make sure everybody goes here to calculate, to know which lots I will give them the actual risks they want to risk. So I say risk 2 to 4% of your account on every trade. So you need to come to this to figure out what lot size would give you a 4% risk for that particular trade, because the stop size is what determines the lot size to use. So we'll put the position size, and let's say you are trading ZAR USD and the account balance is $10. I want to risk 4% of our account, and our entry price now is let's say our entry price is at 24 10 10. Okay, so our stop loss is at 405. Now with you having this, it means that we have 50 pips stop loss. If you look at this now, you see that position size is here, but our standard lot there is 0 here. Why? Because there is no this account cannot take the risks. That's why we're having 0 here, because we'll most likely blow our account before we can even hit our stop loss. Also, if you have 100 pips stop loss, you can see there's 0 standard lot here, because this account cannot hold a 4% risk. There's no lot size that will actually give you or enable you risk 4% of your account. If you cannot risk 4% of your account, it means that you'll be risking 10% or more. That is terrible for trading. This is why you need cent accounts to enable you risk any amount you want to risk. Because when you have small capital like $10, $50, $100, or $20, you find it hard to risk 4% consistently, because sometimes there won't be a lot size that will give you that risk, because the minimum lot size is 0.01. So with cent accounts now, our account balance is no longer $10, although it's still worth $10, but it's over 1,000 cents. So we're putting 1,000 here and we're risking 4% on the same trade that has 100 pips stop loss. And now you are seeing that there's actually a lot size to use. 0.004. One thing you should take note of is that since we've leveled up our account size, we need to level up our risks as well. So for the risks, you need to be risking this. Okay, you need to be risking this 0. You need to be risking 40% of your account instead of 4%. If you're risking 4%, you're making very little. You're making like 10 cents, which is not worth anything. So you have to risk 40% of your cent account per trade, or 50%. The same thing as risking 5%. 50% and 5% the same thing for cent account. Just get the calculation. You're risking 40, you're risking 50%. That's 5%. So if we look at this, let's say, let's go to this pair. Okay, and now we open with 0.04. When we did 4%, so we got 0.04. Click on buy. So that's why I getting just minus 1.8 cents. And $100 equals to, 100 cents equals to $1. So this minus 2 cents is not even up to anything. So you need to add a 0 to it when you're calculating. So that means you're risking 40%. You're using 0.4, meaning that you are risking 4% of a $10 account. So say we want to sell, we use 0.4 and we sell. Okay, so this is not the actual 4% risk. So if we have let's say we have a 10 pip stop loss. Okay, so we have 24 as our stop loss. You see that we have to lose, and make this bigger. We have to lose 28 cents. Let me make the stop loss bigger. 26. Okay, so if this trade goes against us by 20 pips, we have to lose 100 cents, 107 cents. Same thing as losing $1. That's 10% of the account. 20 pips stop loss. So you're losing $0.5 per 10 pips. Because it's 20 pips stop loss. So if price moves against those 20 pips, we are losing $0.5 times 2, which is $1 in total. Okay, that's how this works. So when you're using your first calculator, make sure you don't use 4%, make sure you use 40%. If you want to risk 5%, use 50%. But these are on the high side. If you want to risk, make sure you risk from 40% and below, 30%, 20%, 10% of your cent account. Okay. Okay, but if it's a live account, if it's um, normal US dollar, then don't use 40% of your $1,000 account because you blow it. You can reach normal 4% if it's normal US dollar. That's the major difference you need to know about trading cent accounts, trading live accounts. You understand? Yeah, so that's that. You can see our balance is almost looking like $1,000, although it's 1,000 cents. So with this, you'll be able to risk properly, make profits, and trade as you should using just $10. That will be all for this video. If you have any questions, do drop them, like, comment, and share as well. Thank you very much.